In this video, we are going to learn how to expand a factorized expression. For example, 3x into 2x minus 4y. We will multiply both 2x and 4y by this 3x. That means 3x into 2x minus 3x into 4y. 3 2s is 6, x into x, x square, minus 3 4s 12, x into y, xy. This is our answer. Question number 2. X plus 4 into x minus 7. We will multiply both x and 7 by this. X plus 4 multiplied by x minus x plus 4 multiplied by 7. We multiplied this by x and we multiplied this by 7. That means x into x plus 4 into x minus x into 7 plus 4 into 7. X into x, x square plus 4 into x, that means 4x minus 7 into x, 7x plus 4 into 7, 28. X square plus 4x minus 7x, that means thrice x, minus 3x plus 28. This is our answer. This is the expanded form of this expression. This expression was written in factorized shape and this is in the expanded shape.